Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Messenger account in 2021. It's pretty much the same thing on an iPhone and on an Android device. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first way to actually do it, and basically the main way, is just going on Messenger, clicking on your profile icon at the top left corner right here, going down to account settings. It's at the bottom. Click there, and here you have different categories. You want to go down to your Facebook information. Here you want to click the third option, account ownership and control. We click on it, and here you want to select the second option, deactivation and deletion. Click on it. It has two options: deactivate account, which is temporarily, or delete account permanently. So you can choose one of the two. If you just got some bad experience with Facebook Messenger, you can just deactivate it temporarily. If you want it gone forever, delete it permanently, you just click on continue to account deletion, and then you have to enter your password, and you're all good. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one. Bye.